Welcome back. This is Eusebius Production and Video Services. We are back at Machakos Showground. This is the first edition at Machakos Showground shooting. This is how we entered the Machakos Showground with my cameraman. It was a very nice day and we expected a total cooperation for the students and people who we mingled with. This was the first day I ever attended Machakos Showground for the evening shoot. It was very nice. The weather was cool. The environment was very conducive. There were no many challenges, and this was the show. I want to take you around the show. You see what was happening at that day. You will bear with me what I will capture, what I won't capture. You will just forgive me for that. This is the vegetables. We were able to see the cabbages, the kales, the sukuma wiki, and the spinach. They were very healthy, and as we passed by the Kenya prisons, here where we meet some vendors vending goods to students. It was a very business day and agricultural day. It was full of students. As you can see yourself, unaona vile wanafunzi walikuwa wamekuja kwa hamu na gamu kuja kufurahia siku ya leo ya maonyesho ya kilimo huku Machakos. It was a very big day. This is the Kenya prisons. They led us with the Kenya prison band at the entrance of Machakos Governor. We were able again to come to the vegetarians and the legumes, where we saw some variety of beans. Those are beans, the managus. As I walked passed by them, you can see my cameraman zoomed them. This is the breed of beans we call Nyayo. We go to the sorghum and the millet. Very healthy one. In fact, I was encouraged how I can grow the same because it was very nice. Ilinivutia sana. Very healthy, well maintained, and no pests and insects. This is the Syndico company. And also we had the maize. I tried to take out some grasshoppers which were landing on those managus. Hey, I was very impressed because the managus was very healthy. They were very healthy. Mpaka hata students na wazazi walikuwa wanasema, hey, it looks very sweet. Look at the maize behind me. The maize are very, very green. Yani na imagine one maize plant consisting of three maize cobs. It was really nice. But it was the favor of the Syndico company. So if you want to buy any of your seeds, consider the Syndico company. After that, we had to travel back again to the luxury and where we found some students were buying their long-loved privileges. Na hivi ndio siku ilikuwa ina nice. As you can see from far, you can see bouncing castles where kids are enjoying. But sisi tukaamua kutembelea huku because kulikuwa na commotion mingi and there were very many students hapo. Tukaamua tu kutembea at a far distance because of the safety of the camera and the drone. Tulikuwa tunaogopa it can be tampered with. Kulikuwa na upepo, there were some flying things huko, so we feared. Tukaamua tupite mbali. Look at the crowd. It really impressed me. The Machakos Showground was a big fun. It really inspired me a lot. I wish next time you fans, I love to take you. Hiyo maonyesho nayo ile ni nice. So next time be ready fans. Tuende na nyinyi. At least hata nyinyi mtembee county number 016 for Her Excellency Honorable Wavinya Ndeti. Muone hata Machakos. Munasema kuna jua lakini the sun in Machakos has a its products. These are the products of the Sun in Machakos. The students were very enjoying. Ona tu ni wawili. Alikuwa anashindwa, kijana ni mdogo, anaenda anainamia simu, but it was a very serious business. Haunge notice what I'm doing unless uone cameraman ama uone drone ndio ungejua what I was doing. So my instruction to cameraman zilikuwa tu simple, kumwonyesha sign language, zoom huyo. Then mambo ilikuwa very fine. Look at the crowd. Mwingine ndo huyu. She is really enjoying a ride on a camel. I really wanted to ride on a camel but nikaogopa. Unajua hii mnyama inaweza kubeba ikupeleke huko Somalia. Mimi sitaki kwenda kupatana na Al-Shabaab. Anyway, that's a fun. But I really enjoyed. Hata unaona vile ana enjoy kubebwa na hiyo kitu. But naogopa the height. The height is too. That's why mimi ndege maybe nibebwe na aviator si. Fans. Anyway, this day was a very nice. Nilishindwa mbona sikuambia mapema tuende hii siku. Nikatembea hapo hivyo. Nikitembea kidogo, all of a sudden, kihag. Nikashtukia nishapigwa kihag. Kumbe, nilikuwa nimepatana na student wangu back 2 years ago at my uni secondary school. Akaniambia mwalimu, hapana, wacha hizo story tuache. Tukaenda to the promoting climate smart agriculture. Tukapita huko, we see some good breeds of maize. Ukijaribu kupita kwa hiyo tent ulikuwa unapewa a good advice on how to plant those maize. Tukasonga tu, tukapata breeds za kitunguu. Na mimi vile napenda red Creole, wananiambia ati nile nipande Neptune F1. I really want to go and try that one. Tukaona walikuwa wamesponsiwa na Simlaw Seeds, so kama unataka kununua any seeds za vegetables, anything, consider Simlaw Seeds. Ona tu mahindi vile imenawiri, sunflower. Ndio hao sisi tukatembea. We are just going. Tukatembea. This place now was a fun. Now I was really enjoying the show. Nilikuwa naomba kama hizo masaa zingesongesha. Ni kama show itake 24 hours mpaka usiku ikuwe mchana. Juu I really wanted to visit most of places but I couldn't because of time. And pia I was somehow attached to something else somewhere at a different time. So mimi niko huyo hapo natembea na ma students, ni vibes tu. Zilikuwa vibes. Ukinitafuta unaniona huko katikati ni ma vibes tu, hawajui kama na record. Mimi nilikuwa na naisika na students. They were very nice. Very nice. Ukinitafuta vizuri unaniona tuna koti yangu kubwa. Huko na ma students tuna vibe huko katikati. Hawajui na record. It was really a fun, but wakifika home, make sure you follow my YouTube channel. You will see those all of your videos wenye tuli interact na wao, mtajipata kwa YouTube, mjione. You see how you are very nice on uniform. I really enjoyed the company, the color of the uniforms. But don't forget that ukicheza na uniform, miaka ni 35 good years. So hapa ni towards the end of the show. I'm towards the car exit with my cameraman somewhere. Nitakuonyesha. Ndio hao sasa tukapita place kulikuwa na maonyesho ya Vits. Kama wale watu wanajua Fix ndio hizi sasa zile za kukula. Si gari, ni Fix, si Vits. So tukapita hapo apples, how to graft apples, how to graft Vicks. Then my man hapo akaamua wacha wakute. Ni kama amepanda ndimu kwake na anataka ku graft zikuwe Vicks. Akawaambia ni aje Morio. Kuna vile hizi Vicks zimeni nice. Unaweza hata nichunia kamoja. Hayo jamaa akasema hapana, labda nikupeka pepa, you go and call us, we come, we graft your ndimu to be Vicks. So jamaa akakuwa tu satisfied, but alikuwa anataka ka Vicks. Mpaka akawaita tena, mwezi nipea kingine. Kaambiwa hapana, namba iko hapo, wewe utupigie, tutakushow vile mambo itakuwa. tukasema ni sawa, tukasonga, ndio hao sisi, tukaenda ndio hao. Now the last part, ka exit, bye.